Hi, everybody. This is Mike from Cappsure. If you're a Menards snow vendor or you have the app loaded on your phone, I'm going to show you easy steps on how to use the app. So once you load the mobile app from your phone, you will see this icon, which is the Cappsure icon. Simply tap the icon to open it, and it'll show your designated Menards properties that you'll be servicing. That's all you have to do. You don't have to select the properties or do anything else. Just open the app. It will automatically begin tracking your time on the property, your arrival, your departure, and total time on property. You must leave the app open the full duration of time that you're on the property. Do not close the app. And the app will automatically report your time back to the Cappsure system. If you have any questions, you can email us at info@cappsure.com. A quick word of advice: open the app prior to arriving at the Menards property, and in most cases, carry a car charger or mobile charger with you. This is Mike from Cappsure signing out.